everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to retwist my hair, but instead of using the product I usually use, which is my Fletcher Locs Serum. This is what I usually use to retwist my hair every month. I decided I think I'm going to actually try to do the water and oil only retwist. Now, I don't know how this is going to go. The Locs serum is very sticky and it can cause buildup if you do use too much of it. So I'm pretty used to that, and I know that's how it goes down with that. But I don't know how it's going to work with the oil and water. I'm pretty sure there's not really going to be much of a hold with the oil. So the oil that I'm deciding to use is going to be my Jamaican black castor oil. And this one is the mango scent, and it's by the OK brand. I'm also going to be using my rose water. I also have a spray bottle here that just has regular water in it if needed. I do use clips to hold my hair and a comb for my parts. And I also have these clips to hold the twist in place. I believe that's everything I'm going to need, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so now I'm at the front, and you can kind of see the growing away from my locks kind of up close and personal here in the different areas. And I just go ahead and part it out the best I can. because since it is separated from my locks, it's really just an afro sitting there. So I try to part it the best I can to get my parts to stay in place with my locks, but it's kind of hard with the texture of my hair. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some oil. And the dropper that I'm using didn't come with this bottle of oil. I just took it from something else and decided to use it to make it easier to distribute the oil into my hair. And the thing that I like about castor oil, it does have like that sticky feel when you first put it on. Not that I'm expecting that to hold or anything, but it kind of helps me think that it's going to kind of mold the hair together, so to speak, to keep it together while I do twist it into place. So this one is one lock here, and as you see, I have to kind of just go ahead and part everything out. And I try to part it to the point where it's not, I try to see if it's not connected to part it out. I try not to pop my lock if it's not really necessary. If I can get it to part out without popping it, I will, but sometimes I do have to do that. So this is not, it's not as straight as I would like it to be, but I think I'm just gonna go with it. And as you can see, here's the separated part and here's the actual lock. So I just twist it together, 2-strand twist it on top of the lock. And I do that all the way down till I run out of hair. And then I try to go back in at the root and twist it down. And then I clip it down into place like so. And it's not perfect. I feel like, of course, if I decide to go to a professional, they could probably grip and get this better than I'm doing right now, but it is what it is. And I just try to continue to do that part out. This one is not as separated as that one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it down. Add it to the clip. And these two here are my thinnest locks, I feel like. I feel like they definitely could be combined into one. I just haven't decided to do that yet. But eventually down the line, I probably will combine them. So right now I just twist them separately. You can see all this hair is still sitting here. And now I need to separate and add some of it to this lock here. And I swear, parting the back of your head is so hard, especially you can't see. So this is all the hair I need to put together here. Just gonna add some more oil, and like I said, I start to twist it first. Just 2-strand twist it down the lock. And now I'm going to go back at the root and try to twist it down into place. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish this front area and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done with my oil and water retwist. Here's how it's looking so far. So I'm going to go ahead and let this set for the rest of the day, and I'll remove the clips. But so far it was pretty good. I really didn't run into much of any issues or anything by using the oil and the water. It pretty much went the same as if I would have used my regular product to retwist my hair. Still, you know, making sure I put the hairs that are growing away from my locks back in. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna hold up, because to be honest, my retwist usually only lasts 7 days. 10 days is like the most, probably pushing it. So I'm not expecting it to last a very long time, because even with product, my hair just automatically doesn't want to stay into place anyway. But we'll just see how it works, and this is definitely a better option than using any product in your hair, because you don't want any product to get trapped in your locks anyway. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.